Okay, so this is video number 6. It's titled Standing Passive Knee Flexion. It is an alternative to the seated knee flexion passive exercise. Again, this will be post-operative exercise done once an hour while awake for about 5 minutes. We start with a bench or stool or something to put our foot on. The key is to have the femur, which is the thigh, parallel to the ground. So this is the right height for model J. So let's start with a little less knee flexion, because remember we just had surgery, so you can't quite get there. So maybe this is the position of comfort. You start there. You put your toe against the wall, and then she'll lean forward a little bit to try to get a little bit more knee bend until it's very, very tight and difficult. We hold that for 10 or 15 seconds, and then we relax. So we shift our body weight backwards and let the knee straighten a little bit. Recover, repeat. Each time we'll try to get a little closer to the wall. That's number 2 there. So we right at 90, it looks like to me. Okay. That's very good. Okay, we can relax. And then a third repetition. Let's get a little closer to the wall. Okay. Again, we hold it for 10 or 15 seconds. Goal is each repetition, we want to be a little closer to the wall. One of the nice things about this exercise, let's do the last one all the way to the wall, is we can see what our gap is between the knee and the wall. So it's very easy to compare where we were earlier today or 2 days ago to now. So you can see progression forward. If you get to the point where she is right now, toe against the wall, knee touching, that is usually adequate knee flexion for almost all functions. So that's kind of our goal to get there. Okay, and then relax. So I personally found this exercise to be my favorite exercise after I got a little bit more knee flexibility. So once I was pretty comfortable getting the 90 degrees in the chair, I personally switched to this one, and I found that was I had more feedback in how I was doing. So again, that's a post-operative exercise.